Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSR Creations. Going to be doing something a little different for you today. This is an 18 by 18 inch canvas. If you're familiar with any of my earlier videos, when I first started the channel, I was doing a lot of the twist and twirls, basically an open cup pour, and then you take, I would take a piece of PVC pipe, which I would pour it into and then twist it around, twist the paint around the canvas. I'll link some videos here so you can check those out. But on this one, I wasn't sure what I wanted to do. I didn't know if I wanted to do a Dutch pour or a swipe. And at the last minute, I decided I was going to use the piece of PVC pipe to twist it out. So I'll lay all the colors down and then I go ahead and take the little piece of PVC and twist it out. So I'll put all my colors in my description box, but I hope you enjoy this video. And if you're new here, please like and subscribe and comment. And yeah, hope you're having a great day, and I'll catch you all real soon. Bye-bye.
Hey, I heard you got a new best friend. Yeah, it hurts a bit, I won't pretend that it doesn't matter that you're with someone else. In a way, that's how it's supposed to be. If I'm unable to make you happy, then it's for the better that you are not with me. That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better than I speak. And I need to tell you, you were my best friend till the end. I hope I'll be happy without you, but right now I don't know what to do. It's hard to get over, you chose someone else, a new best friend. Feel like it was long ago. We were head over heels in love, thought it'd last forever, but somehow we got lost. Looking back, I didn't realize what was wrong with me. I can't deny I took you for granted. You finally had enough. That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better than I speak. And I need to tell you, you were my best friend till the end. I hope I'll be happy without you, but right now I don't know what to do. It's hard to get over, you chose someone else, a new best friend. Best friend. Yeah, it hurts a bit, I won't pretend that it doesn't matter that you're with someone